Hello buddies, how are you? Welcome back to Abby's Tech channel guys. Once again I'm present with another update video about BTT token, about Bittorrent token guys. In this video I'm talking about BTT token latest price update in absolutely for a short time. You are also going to predicate BTT token. A lot of people also ask me questions about BTT token, that how much long Bittorrent token will continue this pump. So let's talk about that guys. But if you are new here, please kindly subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos. Guys, at this time, if you talk about the currently price of BTT tokens, so 0.003701 USD dollar, that is the currently price of a Bitcoin token. Other side, very, very congratulations. Very, very congrats to all holders, especially for short time holders, because you know what, now the price is going to move. The changes is completely positive. Last one day, last 1 week, last 1 hour, these all changes of Bitcoin token is going positive guys. So very, very congratulations. I hope that you're all feeling very well about Bitcoin token, and I believe that for a long time they will continue this pump, so just hold for a long time. And my prediction is also positive guys. I believe that to the last of October, to the last of 31 October, Bitcoin token continue this kind of positive changes guys. So absolutely, if the changes is going positive, so then it's time to hold, it's time to buy more and more guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Bitcoin token? Share in the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.